Hey guys, today we're going to declutter my bedroom, but we're currently in my beauty room now because there were some stuff that I couldn't even fit into my bedroom closet. That's why they're in this closet in this room. So I'm going to pull out all the relevant items and bring them to my bedroom. The entire shelf is full of bed related stuff, so I'm just going to pull them out. This is... Oh, it's a bolster. I thought it was a pillow. It's folded into half, right? So that's a bolster. I'm going to be decluttering that one. And this is gigantic, so oh my, it's so heavy. Hang on. This entire thing was just taking out the entire space here, and I'm going to be decluttering this one. It is like a layer that you put on top of your mattress, like a mattress softener layer, but my husband says that this makes his back hurt, so he doesn't like it, so we're going to get rid of it. I didn't realize that there was actually another pillow over here, and yeah, I think that's it. It's just one pillow, so I'm going to be decluttering this one. The upper shelf on both sides of the closet is where I put all my bed related stuffs, and I probably have some hidden in the drawers over here, so I'm gonna pull everything out onto the bed. After investigation, these two are pillows. See, I couldn't even remember what was inside. So these two I'm going to be decluttering. This is an extra quilt and I call it the carrot quilt, but we already have one, so we really don't need an extra one, so I'm going to be decluttering this. Okay, let's sort through the sheets and let's start with something easy. This one is a C pillowcase declutter. And this set, I've put them into sets already, so they all look like this bright blue color. This 1, 2, 3, 4, they are all pillowcases, and then this one, it is a quilt cover, so I'm going to be decluttering this entire set. This is just a white pillowcase that came with the original pillow of my husband's, so we're just gonna keep it because it's like the original case. And then over here I have 4 satin pillowcases, and I'm gonna keep them because I bought this entire set of satin sheets from China. And the funny thing is that this is the only set of sheets that I bought. Everything else over here came with us from our old house, so it's not like we're shopaholics. We've just had them for a really long time. I bought satin sheets because they are supposed to be very good for your skin and they don't tug on your face when you're moving around. So definitely the pillows are a keep for me because I always change out pillowcases for my husband and I every 1 to 2 days. So I definitely need a lot of this. And for the sheets, I decided I think I'm going to be letting them go. Oh, there's 2 more pillowcases here, which is good because I can just pass it along with the whole set. These 2 are going, and over here, this is just a bed sheet cover. I remember I bought another set that has elastic though. So, okay, this is another bed sheet cover but with the elastic. So there's 2 bed sheet cover, and this should be the quilt. Oh, and the quilt is pretty nice. It comes with a zip instead of buttons. But I'm going to be decluttering the entire set because they are cold to the touch, and I thought they would be very cooling for our summer weather. But my husband, after sleeping on this for a really long time, he came to me and he told me that he really doesn't like them. He finds that it makes him very hot, and he's the kind who likes our old cotton ones that are super old and feel like soft t-shirt. So I'm going to let go of this because we're not going to be using them. Those are new and nice, and someone else is going to enjoy them. This one, however, it doesn't look new nor nice. I'm just gonna assume it started off brown. Let's just not think that it started off white. This is obviously a pillowcase. I'm going to declutter that. And then this one is another pillowcase. Oh, this is also another 2, but they look like different colors. So I think you have to bleach them. So these pillowcases go along with this checkered set over here, and they are quilts. This is one set of quilts, and then this one is another quilt followed by this is also another quilt. So there's 3 sets of quilts, which is kind of weird, but I'm guessing maybe they go with this black set over here. So I'm gonna get rid of those. this whole pile is a declutter. And oh, I want to keep these blue ones. This is a pillowcase. And then this one over here is a bedsheet cover. But now that I pull out everything, I realize there's only one pillowcase and there's not even a bolster cover or a quilt cover. So although I really like this color and it's very like old material, so my husband will like it, I unfortunately have to let it go. So that's one blue set over here. Okay, now moving on to the blacks. Why do we have so much blacks? It all just came from the old house. Pillowcase, there's two over here. And then this is one set of bedsheet cover and this one is another one because they all have this elastic. So let me look at this other one over here. Okay, so they're all the same colors, and this one, two pillowcases. This one feels very thick. So, oh, this is bedsheet cover and this one is quilt. So this is like a complete set. Oh, but it doesn't have a bolster cover. Oh, okay, so I'm obviously keeping this navy set over here. This is what we got for our wedding. I'm just gonna use the bolster cover for this one because I always change out pillowcases and bolster covers more often than bedsheet covers. Alright, so I'm keeping this one set over here, but I'm going to be decluttering this too. Okay, over here, cream, I definitely want to keep this because it is a very neutral, calming color. There are, oh, 4 pillowcases, which is good because I changed them out so much. And this one with strings means that it is the bolster cover. Yay! We don't have enough bolster cover. Oh, there's 2. This is the best thing. I'm gonna keep this set for sure. And then this one is a quilt and this one is the bedsheet cover. The yellow looks different, but I'm just gonna lump them together as a set and make it work. I have asked my husband and he has no attachment to anything here, so I'm going to be passing on everything that you see here. And then these are what I'm keeping. I'm keeping 1 set, 2 set, and all the extra pillowcases. As I was going through, I felt very disgusted that we had so many sheets for just 2 people, and I washed them, they dry the next day, so we just cycle through those same 2 sets again and again. I really don't need so much extra, so I'm very happy that we're passing them on. Someone else can enjoy them, so many people can use them. There's so many extra sets here. So that's all for my bedroom related declutter. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!